Hey friends, Chef Wainaina. You know the fall season is fast approaching when those one-pot dishes become handy on those cold nights. So today I'm sharing this very simple and easy to make one-pot yellow curry chicken drumsticks that you can do on any day of those cold nights. This is a very comforting dish with lots of vegetables served over rice or chapati, and you got yourself a delicious meal. So for this recipe we have drumsticks, we have a bunch of vegetables, some zucchini, some tomatoes, some bell pepper, a carrot, and also some broccoli, spices, salt, coconut milk, some cilantro, oil for cooking, black pepper. All these ingredients will be in the description box for you. So first things first, do some vegetable prep work. Now peel this carrot. And then I'll just roll cut it into small bite size. This will go into this small container. Next we need one zucchini. So just roll cut this into some nice bite size also. You can cut this into whichever shape or size that you desire. I just like the look of this in a dish. Summer squash. And just remember, this is a dish that you can also use any vegetables of your choice, whatever is available to you. All bell peppers will work perfectly for this dish. Speaking of that, I have one bell pepper, orange, you can use any color. Need 2 tomatoes. And then all these will go into this container. So just notice I separated the carrots from these. These are fast cooking. The carrots will take slightly longer, so we'll start with the carrots first. Cut this broccoli into some bite size. Cauliflower will work perfectly for this dish too. Bring back this chicken. Season these drumsticks generously, salt and pepper. Into this preheating pan, add olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice, onions, and start sweating. Once the onion starts sweating, add the chicken. Get into this pot and turn this chicken. We just want to give it some slight color. Cover the pot and let cook. Into the pot, add cumin seeds, some fennel seeds, red pepper flakes. Let those spices toast as the chicken continues to brown. Now those spices are all fragrant. A time to add the next layer: garlic, ginger, curry powder, turmeric, bay leaves. Sweat the ginger and garlic and toast the spices. It's all about layering the flavors. Cover this for about 5 minutes. Open a can of coconut milk. Coconut milk into the pot. Some water. Add some cilantro and scallions. Give the pot a good stir. Bring to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes, and then we'll add the carrots. Reduce the heat to medium. This pot has been bubbling here for about 10 minutes or so. The chicken is looking good now. Add these few pieces of carrots. Give them about 5 minutes and start before we add the rest of the vegetables. Check this chicken. The juices are turning clear, a good indication that it's almost done. So a good time to add the rest of the vegetables here if they are going to fit. Don't be like me, always use the right size pan. So all we need to do is just to steam the vegetables, and we still need room for broccoli. Splash this with some Worcestershire sauce. Just a touch rice wine vinegar. And just a touch honey, or you can use sugar, just to balance all those flavors. So we're just going to give it a boil, and then we'll come in and taste for the seasoning. You can turn the heat up just slightly, just to bring it back to a boil. Now finish up this dish by adding these broccoli florets. I'll just leave them right on top because I just need them to slightly steam for about 5 minutes, and our dish is all done. Yeah, next time I'll make sure to use a bigger pot. Now cover this. Let the broccoli steam, and then we're just going to stir them into the dish. That smells so good. This dish is all done. What a dish. Can't wait to enjoy this. Serve this delicious Euro curry family style in the same pot. Goes very well with these soft layered chapatis. Check out on my channel on how to make these. Or they can go very well too with this yellow rice. You're gonna have to enjoy this deliciousness. Into a bowl, some of the chicken, the vegetables. A perfect dish for a cold night. Some of these vegetables into the plate. So friends, there you have it, our yellow curry with chicken drumsticks, lots of vegetables as you can see. A dish that you can do on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy. I'm gonna give this one a big bite. Vegetables are always good to start with. Chicken cuckoo. And some of these delicious juices. Look at that chicken, nicely cooked, falling off the bone. Just like that. Soak it. It's so good. I hope it's a recipe that you can try. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe after you try it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this. See you soon.